1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and I met him on a Monday and my heart stood still. Do run, 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 do run, run. Somebody told me that his name was Bill. Do run, 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 do run, run. Yes, my heart stood still. Yes, his name was Bill. And when he walked me home, do run, 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 do run, run. I knew what he was doing when he caught my eye. Do run, 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 do run, run. He looked so quiet, but my oh my, do run, 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 do run, run. Yeah, he got my eye. Yes, oh my, oh my. And when he walked me home, do run, 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 do run, run. He picked me up at 7 and he looked so fine. Do run, 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 do run, run. Someday soon I'm gonna make him mine. Do run, 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 do run, run. Yeah, he looks so fine. Yes, I'll make him mine. And when he walked me home, do run, 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 do run, run. Do run, 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 do run, run. There we go. That was Do Run Run. So let's break it down. Let's learn it a little bit. This is a song we play sometimes when we go to nursing homes and just whatever type of venue we feel it fits for that audience. So let's talk about the roadmap. The roadmap means what happens all the way through. The intro you can see is grayed out, which means sing those words in your head, but you don't sing them out loud. It's just to help you with the count so you know how long to hold each chord. So that I hope that makes sense to you. And then the bottom part where it says repeat from the top, we just ignore all that. That's way beyond a newbie's realm of to do. So basically the B chord and the C chord to the side and where it says slowing down and finish with B and C, just ignore all that. We just play the song through as I just did. We may take a break in the middle, which a break means that I'll say to everybody, play one verse. And the verses are, I met him on a Monday. The choruses are, yes, my heart stood still. I might just say before we perform to the group, and I always put these things out way ahead of time so people can practice. Play one verse and somebody will play some little solo that they're improvising on. So we kind of change things up based on who's playing, what kind of audience we have. So let's break it down. So the strum, always on the first strum, I always play, I met him on a Monday and my. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So it's the first C of every verse. I always do the down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Because it lines up with the lyrics. I met him on a Monday and my. And then the rest of the chords in the verse, I do the island strum. Heart stood still, down, down, up, down, or 1, 2, and 4. Same with the G7. Da do run run, da do run run. Somebody told me that is down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. So let's try a verse. Let's nail a verse because you have 1, 2, 3 verses and they're all the same. So if you can do one verse, you can do 3. So here we go. Let's go slowly. And I'll call out the strumming pattern if that helps. 1, 2, 3. And I met him on a Monday and down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Somebody told me that now was Bill. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. Let's go again. I met him on a Monday and down, down, up, down, 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 So if you're struggling with that and saying the words, do this. 3, 4, and I want to naturally chord. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Somebody told me that is down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. So that's all 3 verses. So I think once you master, just keep playing the same verse over and over, the verses over and over. Nail those first. If you're struggling with that, just focus on the verses, getting the words down, and you'll notice, as we always talk, there's a pattern. C to F to G7 to C. C to F, G7 to C. And so that helps you anticipate what's coming, so you don't have to keep looking at your hands, and you can look at your paper and see the words. So the choruses, it's always a little, like a little bump, and then a long strum, bump. Yes, my heart stood still, down, up. Yes, his name was Bill, bump. And when he walked me home, da-do, run, 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 da-do, run, run. So all of those chords except for the yes are all island strum. So let's try that. So slowly it goes bump. Yes, my heart stood still. Bump. Yes, his down, down, up, down, bump. And when he walked me home, da-do, run, 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 da-do, run, run. That's the choruses. So now, here's something to know. When you're playing a chord, so for example, a C chord, we've talked a little bit about chords and how they're made up of the 1, 3, and the 5 in the scale. So C, E, and G would be a C chord. So here's your C. Here's also a C, your C string. Here's your E string, and here's your G string. So those are your harmony. So you could pick any one of these strings when we're starting and make that your starting vocal note. This song happens to start on I met him, starts on the E string. I met him on a Monday, met him on a Monday. So what if you pick the G? Let's just start with the G string. I met him. I met him on a Monday, and my heart stood still. Da-do, run, 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 da-do, run, run. Somebody told me that his name was Bill. Da-do, run, 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 da-do, run, run. Doesn't matter where you go as long as you're moving at the same levels, or not to make it complicated, just that whatever you sing harmonizes with what we're singing. So one way to practice that is to record or play this song back and sing the harmony and see how it works for you. So let's try it with the C string. I met him on a Monday, and my heart stood still. Da-do, run, 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 da-do, run, run. Somebody told me that his name was Bill. Da-do, run, 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 da-do, run, run. Yes, my heart stood still. Yes, his name was Bill. And when he walked me home, da-do, run, 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 da-do, run, run. Okay, let's play the song slowly so you have a slow play along. And then if you want to play it faster, go back to the beginning when I started. All right, here we go. Intro, 1, 2, 3, 4, and... I met him on a Monday, and my heart stood still. Da-do, run, 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 da-do, run, run. Somebody told me that his name was Bill. Da-do, run, 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 da-do, run, run. Yes, my heart stood still. Yes, his name was Bill. And when he walked me home, Do run, 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 do run, run. One measure. I knew what he was doing when he caught my eye. Do run, 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 do run, run. He looked so quiet, but my oh my. Do run, 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 do run, run. Yeah, he caught my eye. Yes, oh my, oh my. And when he walked me home, do run, 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 do run, run. He picked me up at 7 and he looked so fine. Do run, 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 do run, run. Someday soon I'm gonna make him mine. Do run, 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 do run, run. Yeah, he looks so fine. Yes, I'll make him mine. And when he walked me home, do run, 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 do run, run. Do run, 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 do run, run. Hope you have fun. Please leave your questions or whatever you need help with in the comments, and I will get back to you.